Pranams. I'm Dr. Gauri Rokkam, for those of you who don't know me. And my personal journey into this holistic health and healing started in my childhood under the influence of my father, Sri K.V. Narayan, who is a biochemistry professor besides being a naturopath and a yoga exponent. I believe that the true health comes from right education, awareness, and a will to change from the earlier wrong habits. My whole aim is to make people understand that the healing happens within and to adopt this understanding of holistic nutrition into their lives. With 25 years of learning and experience in nutrition, nature cure, and yogic philosophy of food, I combine these Eastern and Western philosophies to educate people to lead a fulfilling and healthy life. In this course, you'll get to learn the impact of all the nutrients, every specific food group, and the natural elements and their influence and effects on both our bodies and mind. You'll also get to learn all about the diet-related lifestyle causes and step-by-step methodologies to solve and reverse all of these and lead a disease-free life. I've designed this course to simplify the knowledge of nutrition, evidence-based, and also easily adopted. We all know that food can do or undo our health. We also know our lifestyles can lead us on the path of health or disease. The choice is ours to make. And this course will help you understand and learn everything you need to make these right choices. Let's together make this a better place to live. Thank you.